Okay. Now, discipline is required for civil servant to become civil servant. Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes. Now, to be disciplined, one of the thing is that we should be punctual. Yes. Yes. So, can we be punctual to the class? What is the class time? What is the class time? 2:30. Can we come at 2:30? No. But we have to be punctual and disciplined. So, see, the thing is, there are two concepts I had to bring later, but now I'm bringing. There is one word. Have you heard morals? Morals? Have you heard it? Similar, right? Ethical, moral, be ethical. What's the difference between them? Don't write this. We'll come. But since the discussion came, I'm bringing it. Moral is something which is more individualistic. Individual decides what is right and wrong. Someone of you said like we can't come at 2:30, right? So that is the individual decision. Many of you came on time 2:30 because it was nobody told you to come on time. You could have come at late also. Nobody stopped you, na? Did anyone stop you? No, you came on late. It's okay. You can also come at late. Nobody told you to come at exactly 2:30. Class, everybody knows at 2:30, but nobody told you to come at the 2:30. So you yourself decided I should be on the time. That is the moral you decided for you to be punctual. So the punctuality is the moral for you. Clear? Now let's decide one rule for us, a norm for all of us, including me. The norm, I'm asking you, can we decide a norm that whoever will come after 2:30, there they will write their name, then sit it there. Now see, I can't decide. I want everyone to decide. If you say okay, we can do that, including me. If I come late, I will write my name. There it will be written, I feel bad to come late to the class. So let's start ethics from ourselves. How many of you are in favor of this motion? How many of you are against the motion? So based on that, we can have passed this law for all of us, including me. I'm saying, see, it's like school where a monitor will be there. Whoever will talk, name will be written.